Hey beautiful people, welcome back to an episode of I Am TeeJaay. So it is the summertime. I know you guys have seen the fuzzy slides that are trending right now. Some have stones, sequins, pearls, little trinkets all over them. So I decided to make my own instead of paying $20+ for them from the store. What I did was I went to my local 5 and Below. They had the fuzzy slides in various colors. They had black and purple, green, gray. I decided to pick up a black pair. They were $5 at my local 5 and Below. So if you're interested in seeing how I turned my fuzzy slides from this to this, please do keep on watching. So you guys, here are the slides that I picked up from 5 and Below in their natural form. I went the cheap, easy route. I had an old pearl necklace here at the house, so what I did was I cut the necklace in half. I used the pearls off of this necklace. Very simple, very easy. You can just go to Michael's or your local craft store, pick up some stones. You can pick up some pearls. They have different trinkets that you can put on your slides. Either way, you're still going to get the same outcome. So again, I just had an old pearl necklace. I used those pearls, put them in this little jar, and then I just basically glued them on top of each of the slides. Here are my slides, you guys, all finished, all complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. Very quick and easy and fun. Summer, something to do. Thanks again for tuning in. I am TeeJaay. If you have not, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not already, please go and watch my last video on the DIY, how we redid our kitchen.